goal without a plan is just a wish. We had a plan. We made every minute count. We dreamed bigger. We challenged our limits. Difficulties only made us strive harder. Our hard work is now a world record. A record of constructing 39.691 kilometers long stretch of road in merely 24 hours. Rajpath Infracom constructed a road between Pusegaon to Mahasune in Satara district in Maharashtra using bituminous concrete. Rajpath Infracon Private Limited has been associated with many prestigious projects. With our association with PWD, we have paid a unique tribute to the state of Maharashtra on its 61st anniversary through this record-breaking work. Previously, the world record was 25.540 kilometers in 24 hours, whereas Team Rajpath Infracon achieved completion of 39.691 kilometers in the same time. This endeavor has been applauded by various sectors of the industry and the government departments. Achieving the record has been a long, tedious and rigorous process. Throughout this journey, we adhered to paying attention to every last detail. Our work began 3 months before the actual day with R&D and planning.
When we were awarded with this project by the state PWD by HAM model as an infrastructure organization, we realized this was the kind of project that we had been waiting for. A project that would challenge our expertise, our skill of planning, organization and executing. And it put our knowledge and experience to test. However, after successful completion, we can say it has helped us grow as a team, as an organization.
A war room, a think tank, and a highly motivated team of 474 personnel with 250 vehicles was ready to take on this challenge on the morning of 30th May 2021 at 7 a.m. sharp. Despite some difficulties, the work went on non-stop. At 7 a.m. on 31st May 2021, Team Rajpath Infracon had completed the planned stretch and set a new world record while doing so.
In these difficult COVID times, it is important that we come out of our negative mindset and think differently. This challenging project was a Herculean task. Our mantra to achieve this was divide and conquer. The entire stretch of road was divided into 6 parts, and each part was treated as an independent project. There was a team leader with our machinery, manpower and material given. Each one had to focus on his own assigned job. Immense planning and coordination were needed to achieve this at both the site and the head office level.
Road construction is a very challenging work and requires a great deal of creativity, innovation and vision. Rajpath Infracon has always prided itself in taking up one challenging project after the other. Despite our best effort, we faced technical difficulties when our 2 plants had breakdowns in the middle of the day. Our technical team was determined to not let anything get in our way. They put their expertise and hard work to make sure that the plants were up and running again. When we had to deal with challenges on site, our team showed us what it stood for.
When you consider the magnitude of this project, you realize that what we have created here is a modern-day marvel. Our leaders have shown us path to success. Our workforce has proven that as a team we can create miracles. All we need is the right motivation and hard work.
This has been possible because of the disciplined approach towards every aspect of business by Rajpath.
We can now proudly say that our goal isn't merely a wish, but a world record that has garnered us appreciation and recognition from everywhere.
हा जो प्रोजेक्ट आहे महाराष्ट्र शासनाचा एक ॲम्बिशियस प्रोग्राम आहे की ज्याची लांबी 47 किलोमीटर आहे. आमच्या दृष्टीनं हा खूप प्रेस्टिजचा पॉईंट आहे.
This is a proud moment for PWD Maharashtra where we have created this record. I congratulate my whole team for this achievement, for their rigorous efforts in last more than 2 months where they have planned day and night. All the activities are planned in a very perfect way, and the speed and quality both are observed, achieved as per target in this work.
There is no substitute for hard work. Glory is attained from hard work, step by step.
I am happy to announce this world record and dedicate it to our motherland Maharashtra state on its 61st anniversary. At last, but surely not the least, I must congratulate each and every of my colleagues at Rajpath, from director to helper, without whom this project would not have turned out into reality.
Nation building doesn't happen in a day. It requires endless honest efforts from everyone. We are contributing to it with our commitment, passion, excellence and smart work. For us, Samarth Bharat, Sashakt Bharat serves as a roadmap for all our endeavors and leads us to a brighter and better tomorrow.